Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install the official Dogfest OS on your OnePlus 7T device. So this ROM is based on Android 12 and it has been recently released. So in this video I'm going to show you the exact method and way step by step of how to install this on your OnePlus 7T device. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to not miss anything so that it may cause any issue or problem, or during the installation of this ROM if you face any problem or break your device, maybe it's hard break or soft break, there'll be a playlist on top right corner. Just click there and unbreak your device and continue with this video again. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. I'm telling this again because there are most of the comments in my comment section which are very basic because you have not watched the video completely. So without wasting further time, let's head straight to the video. So my name is Rohit and you're watching SnapTech. So let's get started. So the only requirement to install this ROM on your device is an unlock bootloader. So if you don't know how to do that, there'll be a link on top right corner. Just click there, unlock your bootloader, then continue with this video. So after that, go to the link in description below and download these 3 files linked below. Then after that, just keep it in a separate folder so that it will be easier for you to navigate along. So after you have done all these pre-requirements, just connect your device in fastboot mode to your PC. So I will do that now. So to connect your device in fastboot mode, first turn off your device, power off. And once it's turned off, just hold volume up, hold down and power key all at once until you feel the vibration. And as you can see, we are booted into fastboot mode and you can see here device state is unlocked. That means my bootloader is unlocked. Then connect your device to your PC. I'll do that now. And once you do that, head back to your PC again. So once you connected your device in fastboot mode to your PC, just click on this top search icon and type in CMD and press enter. And once this command prompt window is open, just type in fastboot devices and press enter. And if you can see the strings of number along with fastboot written beside it, that means your PC has detected your device in fastboot mode. And if you can't see anything, you need to install the OEM drivers and you will find the link to install that in the description below. After that, your PC will definitely detect your device in fastboot mode. And once your PC has detected your device in fastboot mode, you will need to install this recovery first. So to install this, you have to type in this code fastboot flash recovery, and name of this recovery is recovery itself. If it will be something else, you need to type that name. So for now, we'll just write recovery .img because this is a disk image file, and press enter. So our recovery has been installed into our device. So once the recovery has been installed, we need to boot into that recovery. To do that, you need to move back to your device once again. So you can disconnect your device once you're on this screen and you have flashed the recovery. So I will do that. And to boot into that recovery, you need to press this volume button until you see this recovery mode, and after that use this power key to boot into recovery. And as you can see, we are in our recovery. So once you are on this recovery, just use the volume down key to navigate along and go to this factory reset and press power key. And once you do that, press power key once again and then use the volume key to go to format data and press power key to select it. And as you can see, the wipe has been completed. And after this, you need to just go back. You can just touch this back icon, and once you are back, just go to this apply update section and press power key, and then press again power key on this apply from ADB. And once you do that, you need to connect your device with your PC once again. So as you can see, we have connected our device. So then head back to your PC again. So now we'll start the actual installation of this ROM. and during this entire time you can see my device on the right bottom of the screen. So once you connected your device in ADB mode, you just need to extract this platform tools folder. I'm using 7-zip over here. There will be a link to 7-zip as well in the description below. And once it's extracted, you need to just copy or cut this Dovefest OS file, then go to platform tools and paste it over here. And once you do that, just click on the search icon on top and type in CMD again. And once you do that, you need to type in ADB devices. And if you can see the strings of number along with side load written beside it, that means your PC had detected your device in ADB mode. And if not, you need to install some ADB drivers. You can just type in 15 seconds ADB driver for Android and you can just download it and install it, and after that it will be detected. And make sure to download this platform tools and move this Dovefest OS on it, because it won't be installed if you don't do it. So after that, we need to sideload our ROM file. So to do that, you need to write in ADB sideload space. You need to copy the entire name as it is and paste it over here. So we'll right click, go to rename, Ctrl C to copy, then open your CMD window, paste Ctrl V, and at the end type in .zip because it's a zip file. As you can see over here, compressed zip file. And after that, press enter, and you will see some kind of pop-up on your device. Signature verification failed. Just use volume down key to go to yes and press power key to select. And after this, our installation process will start and will take some time, so you need to sit back and relax until it's completed. So as you can see, the installation process of our ROM has been completed, and after this you will need to move back to your device again for one last time. So once the ROM has been installed, you will be on this kind of screen on ADB. You can just disconnect your device now from your PC, and once you do that, you can see that you are on this screen. Just go back, and once you go back, just click on reboot to system now, and your device will boot into Dovefest OS. As this is the first boot, it will take some time to boot into system, so you just need to wait for some time. And as you can see, the Dovefest boot logo. So we have booted into our system, as you can see the interface, as this is Android 12 based system, and I thought it was a hair, but it was actually a design of the whole interface. Just click on get started. So as you can see, we have booted into our system. So let's go to the settings and go to about phone. And as you can see, we are currently running on Android 12. It's really cool. So this is how you can install the Dovefest OS on your OnePlus 7T. And this is how you can install the Dovefest OS on your OnePlus 7T device. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, a sub to our channel will be really appreciated. And if you are just subscribing, please also press that bell notification to get notified about my future video updates. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Snaptech signing out.